Welcome to our Intercompany Processing in Business Central demo. The Intercompany Processing feature within Business Central streamlines transactions between companies, ensuring faster processing and reducing errors. One of the areas an intercompany transaction can take place is in an intercompany journal. In the intercompany journal, you will pick the intercompany partner, add a description, and offset to a GL account. Select to post. This will post the transaction in one company and transfer the transaction to the other company. The journal can have multiple entries in it. The entries can be to a GL account or a bank account. If you have notifications turned on, you will receive a message that the transaction has created an entry in the other company. Another example is to post a purchase invoice to allocate expenses to the other company. Enter the intercompany partner code, the GL account, and then the account number for the intercompany company. Multiple lines can go to different intercompany partners. The preview posting shows the posting to the expense account in the top line, then it shows the line being reversed out, the last line, and offset to the IC account's receivable account. Once all the transactions post in the originating company, at any time you can go to the other company to see the transactions sent there. The transactions will appear in the Intercompany General Journal for posting. The journal can also be set up for approval if needed. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Dynamics 365 Business Central can drive efficiency that's scalable, sustainable, and built to last.